Hello, loves, and welcome to this love meditation. It was created with the intention for you to feel more love than you ever have before, and to attract an abundance of love in your life. Love for yourself, love from others, and love from a specific person as we attract what we are. I recommend listening to this meditation whenever you want to feel a love boost or daily for continual extra love flow. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and let's begin. I am love. Breathe in. Feel love in every inch of your body and breathe out. I am love. I am worthy of love. I love, honor, and accept myself truly and completely in body, mind, heart, and soul. I am love. I am grateful for the love already present in my life. The love that I have for myself is the purest, highest, and strongest energy force that attracts the deepest and highest forms of love back to me. My heart is my greatest gift to humanity. The beautiful love I have within myself is naturally magnetic to all who are in my life. Everything I am and do is love. I am loving, lovable, and loved. Self-love is my superpower. I see love all around me. I find love everywhere I go, and I feel love always. The love I have in my life is safe, secure, loyal, true, and ever present. I can easily and effortlessly tap into the frequency of love at any time. I captivate, penetrate, and capture the heart of anyone I desire. I am so deeply, truly, and genuinely loved for who I am. I absolutely love my life and am the best version of myself to date. I feel showered with love, abundance, affection, and attention from those who I desire in my life. Anyone who knows me always feels my love. I am love. Therefore, love reflects back to me. I am so easily loved and adored. Everyone loves me. I love me. Love flows so freely to me. I am blessed in love. I am worthy of the love that I desire, and I attract it to me. My heart is always open and ready to receive love. I am attractive and radiant with love. I am magnetic and irresistible to those around me. I am opening my heart, mind, and soul to my soulmate, and I welcome this person into my life. My soulmate is on their way to me, and nothing can stop us from being together. I never have to chase love. I am surrounded by love, and love always comes to me. The more I desire someone, the more attracted they are to me. It is my destiny to experience the greatest love of my life. I am a love magnet. No matter what, I always receive the highest form of love that I deeply desire and deserve. I have always felt loved. I feel loved, and I will always feel so loved. My love life is perfect. I am in a committed, loving, faithful, romantic, loyal, passionate relationship. My dream partner loves, adores, and cherishes me. Our love is deep and divine. Any relationship I have is based upon a foundation of true, deep, and pure love. I am love. I feel like the most loved person in the entire universe. My entire world is an abundance of love. Wherever I go, love follows and meets me there. I carry love with me, and anyone I cross paths with feels my love. Every cell in my body is made up of love. Every thought in my mind is a loving one. My heart is pure love. And my spirit? My spirit is that of a purely loving kind. I am a loving being. I only attract loving people into my life. My eyes naturally look for love, and I always find it. I always find love. I've never been denied love in my life because I am so worthy, deserving, and receptive to love. I desire love, and love desires me. I am love. My love channel is always open, ready, wanting, and able to receive love. Love can never not reach me because I am always open to it. I am a powerful creator, and all that I produce in my life is made of love. My love energy is sacred, and I am always in tune with it and my heart. I am the best kind of love. I only deserve the best love, and I only receive the best love. I love who I am and who I'm becoming. I am a leader in love, and my love expands every day. I am the author of my love story, and I choose to have a happy ending. I have always been so deeply desired and loved. I am love. I am a master at manifesting love. Love is and will always be available, abundant, and present to me. I love myself, I love my partner, I love all living beings, and I love the world. I feel the most loved that I ever have in my entire life, and I radiate that love to all. I am love. Take a deep breath in. And release. You are loved. You deserve love, and you are love. Sending you my love and light always and in all ways. Namaste, and have a blessed and beautiful day.